Here's a guy hit a cane in an amazing way. How do you hit a cane?
Whoa. That's
is it supposed to be can?
Wow.
Is it supposed to be can?
Yeah, it's supposed to be can.
Oh, okay. That's amazing. So we're at some sort of professional baseball game, and the outfielder has an extra ball he's throwing up to the crowd, and boom,
Takes the top one.
he only takes the top can with incredible accuracy.
That's amazing.
It's almost hard to believe.
Yeah.
Let's see it again. He's quite a distance away. Boom.
Wow.
Yeah, and he had to just barely touch it, right? Because if the whole mass hit it, it may have jiggled the one below. He had to tap that baby off, so the ball hits just the side of the can. Wham!
Those guys had a few beer.
What do you think, Ryan? Real or fake? Go ahead.
Gosh.
Go ahead.
This one, I'm gonna say real.
He's gonna say
he hit it.
real.
I'm also gonna say that that's maybe not the first time the attempt was made. This could be happening all season, right? I don't know. I don't know if this is the only time.
Are you saying you're lacking information here, Ryan?
Could be.
Yeah. So you're going real, though.
Well, yeah, that happened. Yeah, he did it.
That's amazing. Yeah, they definitely could practice it. You're right. Yeah. Here we have an orca luring in a tasty snack using the dead fish it was fed by humans. So it's trading the dead fish for a bird. Go for the fish. Take my bait. I'm more intelligent than you. My brain is far larger. Go for the fish. Go for the fish. Go for the fish. And you're mine. And it only need to get a piece of the wing.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a trade. Even the orca barters.
Nature.
Bartering a dead fish, it would prefer a live bird.
Oh.
That's the crazy part about having those in captivity. Man, the intelligence level is out of control.
Unreal.
I mean, I know that how do you gauge such things, but like this one is smart.
This one's a clever one.
And
for sure.
it doesn't even pounce at the wrong time. It waits. Waits for the perfect moment.
It actually kind of like pulls back.
Knowing that the bird would be most susceptible at its point of contact. Once it's got the fish, it's probably not going to let go. It's going to be a little bit more caught off guard because it has to look away for a second to grab the fish.
And you're right, the orca does go back a bit.
Yeah,
let
create the
him get in
space,
there.
bam, you're mine.
But
And you're going below the water too.
you could
Quick
argue that it might be a not so smart bird. Like those other birds are probably a little smarter than that guy.
Talking about a bird brain?
Yeah. Like out of the 10 birds there, maybe that guy, happened to be.
Well,
the
you
one.
only need a fool one to get a meal.
Exactly. That's what I'm
so.
saying. He's got the orca.
Yeah, but the orca, we were just talking about the guy hitting the can.
Yeah.
And you're saying, maybe practice. I feel like the orca's done this before. I'm saying round one.
Yeah.
And it's done, I don't think it's a first attempt. I think this orca has a system.
Right.
He's got a system.
I think this orca's a serial killer. As it should be.
Yeah,
He
right.
used to be called a killer whale when I was a kid.
Yeah.
And that is a proficient killer. What a beautiful thing, though. You got to love it. I mean, to watch the intelligence on display and to see the craftiness.
It reminded me of a crocodile, the way they just like go on they get them by the shore.
The thing is that this orca is so capable, right? Such a beautiful killer.
Right.
That you got it in this captivity and you got the dead fish going through it.
Right.
And
It's no fun.
This guy's like another dead fish, man.
He's itching to play.
I'm not built for this. I'm not built for this.
Yeah.
I'm going to create a game, even if I don't want these bird feathers,
Right.
so that I can kill still because I'm a killer whale.
Right.
He's a killer.
It's in his nature. And
And
Otis,
Otis
oh my
apparently
God.
there's a makeout session going on.
Hey,
Cut to Ryan's camera. It's getting a little much for me over there.
Oh,
I'm
damn.
feeling uncomfortable.
we're going to get demonetized for
Holy,
sure.
that was a bit
We're dead.
much.
Oh my God.
I don't know what. Maybe it was I don't know. Otis is into me today.